The acting chief of staff, Brigadier General Sabc, has been implicated in chrome scandals after a duo were caught trying to smuggle out the precious minerals using a license authorized by Lusununguku Holdings Investment. Sanamina mashoko patrikuona kuti aiwa vakomana mageneral emuarmy are involved mukusmugliwa kwema-state resources. Sanamina munhu inoti bosubscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Panobata vakomana monyo kwamuchinzi. Sabc is one responsible for all authorizations that concern RNH export licenses. Two transport operators, Precious Move 49 and Missari Machira Hondo 35, who are facing charges of fraud related to the alleged illegal export of chrome or use the RNH license. Move and Machira Hondo accused of presenting these documents at Bridge border post, falsely claiming a joint venture between Zimbabwe Defense Industry and Sununguku Lego Holdings. The prosecution said they misrepresented their cargo as chrome or concrete when it was actually chrome or lampi. They also allegedly used an expired export permit from Zimbabwe Defense Industry and attempted to export goods via Forbes border post using documents that had expired and belonged to separate entities. Satoona kuti aiwa ma-looting techniques anoshandiswa nevakomana ava vari muthe military vatikona vari muarmy ava vakuru ava kuexposiwa manje akubudiswa pachena. Since these guys, yes, vanenge vachiti zvavo they are doing things zvinenge zvichiita kuti ma-citizens ave safeguarded says the army. Hamuzoti army inomirira ma-citizens, but una these guys they are looting ma-state resources. These guys vari kuita nyika yezimbabwe isare isina kana chino, vari kuita kuti nyika yezimbabwe tingosara tangova vanhu vasina kana mabasa, vanhu vari useless. Motudzai mafungiro emuri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section medu panosubscribe, like and turn on the bell icon.